Hello and welcome to an important video for all Windows users. I want you to focus with me because I brought you a solution to a problem that bothers most Windows users, which is issues with running games and programs. In this video, we will solve all these problems in simple steps. Who among us, when trying to open a specific program or application or any game, hasn't seen the message about missing DLL files like the one in front of you, or a black screen while opening the game, or the problem of the game suddenly closing? So focus with me so we can solve the problem with very simple and easy steps. First, to understand the problem, in short, your system doesn't have all the programs required to run, or many DLL files are missing, or your Windows version might be modified so it doesn't include all the files needed to run all games and programs. In general, how do we solve this problem? We will do two steps, and from the first step, you will find that all these problems are solved. The first solution is to install all the programs that our system needs to run any program or game. All you have to do is go to the link in the video description. It will take you directly to this website. You will click here, and the file All-in-One Runtimes 2.5.0 will be downloaded immediately. Of course, I already have it downloaded. Once the tool is downloaded, it will look like this. You double-click on it like this, and when it opens, it starts extracting the data. All you have to do is wait. Simply, this program or package includes Visual Studio Code, C++, .NET Framework, Java, and all the data that the computer or laptop needs to run. After that, this interface will appear to you. It contains files that your Windows needs to run programs and games smoothly and easily. And if there are any missing files, these programs can compensate for them for your game, your computer, or the entire system in general. All you have to do is leave the check marks as they are exactly, and at the bottom, under the word Install, you click on Install, and that's it. You don't need to touch anything except wait for the installation process of all programs to finish. And literally, after it's done, you restart the computer, and nothing will stand in your way. Anything you click will open smoothly and easily. The second step is also straight to the point. All you have to do is download this file, and you will also find it with a direct link in the description. After the download process is finished, you click on the file, extract it, and open the DLL files. Then you go into the DLL files and press Ctrl+A. You select all the files and copy them. And these are the most important DLL files that all games need. Then you go to the C partition, open it, then go to the Windows folder. Then look for the System32 folder and paste the files inside it. After that, go back again and scroll down to the syswo64 folder. Open it as well and paste. And if there's anything existing, you replace it. And that's it. After these two steps, literally any game or program that was not working will run very easily and smoothly. And that's it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thank you. Goodbye.